Hello, today we will discuss page number 18 and lesson number 7, which name is Problem Solving Strategy. At first, quick review. 400 plus something plus 9 is 499. 400 plus 90 plus 9 is 499. Now we have a second task, 700 plus 40 plus 5. And it must be equal 8,745. It means it must be before 8,000. Super. Another task, 763. If we will put here 700 plus 60 plus 3 is 763. And the last, we have 10,407. This is 407. It's miss 10,000. Super. We will go to study our problem. I am a 2-digit number. If I am a 2-digit number, it means my number it must be from digit A and digit B. The sum of my digit is 17. It means A plus B is 17. The ones digit is even and the tens digit is odd. Here are ones, it is even. And this is a number which must be the tens, they are odd. Okay, if they are numbers odd, it means it must be number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And if they are even, it can be number 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now I wouldn't discuss 0 because it must be 2 digits, and 2 digits, if they are, it cannot be 17. It means it will be like this. And what number am I? So discuss this number, it must be odd, and this number it must be even. If we will try. This will be 9 and this will be 8, because we have two possibilities. That it's two numbers. They must be 9 plus 8 or 8 plus 9. It must be 17. Now it must be number 9 and 98. Why it cannot be 89? While the 8 is not odd and 9 is not even. It means is the easier way how to find the solution is to think about in this way. But what they say us? They say to us, we must understand what are you asked to find. It means read carefully this problem 5-6 times, and then after you must know what it means 2-digit number, what it means sum of my digits, what it means that digit is odd, and what it means that digit is even. It means you must know that sum, it means add was together, put two numbers together, calculate together. The digit is odd, it means that it's which digit it is, they are odd. 1, 3, 5, and so on. If digit is even, it must be 2, 0, 6, and so on. You don't need to, in this keys, look digit 0, while you know that sum of these two digits, it must be 17. It's not, for example, if it will be sum of this digit 2 or 3 or 5, you can discuss and consider 0. After they say what information you will use. Okay, is there information you will not use? So if what? Okay, think about little bit, give time for yourself and so on. After we create some plan. It means what strategy can you use to solve the problem? You can use logical reasoning. Now, look what they say. How you can use the strategy to solve the problem? Use a 100 chart. Good. Find the numbers with digits whose sum equals 17. The numbers are 89 and 98. Then decide which number has a tens digit that is odd and ones digit that is even. And you can find that the number is 98. And we had 98. Why? Look, this is a 100 chart, and now you have here numbers from 1 until 100, and now you can discuss in your head how it will be. 9 plus 8 is 17, and 8 plus 9 is 70. It means you can discuss that it can be number 98 or 89. But of course, if you take this question in your test, you don't have this 100 table. You must use your brain and you must think about how it can be. And so it means it can help you at first, but after, if it will come exam, if it will come test, you must be careful. But think about this 100 chart that it can help you. So check the last. Look at the problem. Does your answer make sense? Explain. How do you know that 89 and 98 are the only two-digit numbers whose digits have a sum d equals 17? D equals 17, okay? It means logic. You must solve problem logical. Solving strategy, it must be logical reasoning, okay? It means slowly think about, if you will take this question on test, if it will come this problem, please only think about this, how we make this, and it will come your time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you will done well. So see you next time. Bye.